Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz S-Class S580 4MATIC. This comes in a silver exterior with a tan interior, sunroof, blind spot assist, 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz and S580 badging, power opening and closing trunk, now this S-Class vehicle has the retractable door handles here, so we'll just hit the button here to unlock and the door handles retract. I've got the premium Burmester sound system throughout the vehicle. Got our rear seats here. Look up front. Memory seats, driver seat controls here, heated or ventilated. Driver door controls. Driver seat. Steering wheel. Mileage currently 5,928. And we have a push button ignition. No full touchscreen interface here. So we have our navigation system, climate control, even customizable footwell temperature. I think that's kind of neat. Radio. And we have our center console here. Of course, the customizable ambient LED lighting throughout the vehicle. It's actually fully customizable here. Do the comfort setting here. So you can even do massaging seats. We've got our ambient lighting, all kinds of different colors, different effects you can choose from, customizable brightness per zone if you'd like. Just loaded with features. Now if you'd like to see any more photos, get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.